Closing market comments for Wednesday, September the 16th. Grains closed sharply higher today. Good strength in the soybean complex, leading corn and wheat higher as well. USDA announced a sale of China again this morning, 327,000 metric tons, again lending support to this market as we go. Funds were strong buyers, buying 12,000 contracts of corn, 18,000 contracts of soybeans, and 6,000 contracts of wheat on the day. So again, the funds are buyers. The demand continues to be there on the soybeans and corn, and that seems to be the driver in this market. As long as this demand stays, it looks like this market's going to have some strength. But obviously, we're looking at some better prices and an opportunity to reward the market with some prices above cost of production. Wasn't a poll out by Reuters today showing corn acres for next year, and I know that's a long way off, but 91.8 million acres, down 0.3%. Soybean acres at 87.9 million acres, up 4.9%. Winter wheat up 2.3% at 31.3 million, and spring wheat down 4.8% at 11.6 million. So we'll want to watch those as we go forward, but it looks like good to see a big increase in soybean acres next year with these prices. The weekly oil inventory was released today. Crude oil stocks were 496 million barrels. That's down 4.4 million barrels from the previous week, but well above last year at 417.1. Gasoline stocks were 231.5 million barrels, down 400,000 from the previous week, and 1.8 million above last year. Distillate stocks at 179.3 million. That's up 3.5 million from the previous week and 42.6 million above last year. We do have a hurricane coming in and doing effect in the Gulf right now. We'll have to see next week. Wouldn't be surprised to see refinery capacity back off again. We went up this week to 75.8%. That was up 4% from last week, which had hurricane problems, but we're still 15.4% below last year's 91.2%. Ethanol production dropped 926,000 barrels a day this week. That's down 15,000 barrels, but still 77,000 barrels behind last year at this time. Ethanol stocks only did go down 19.798 million barrels of stocks. That's down 195,000 from the previous week and 3.44 million barrels below last year. So that's one positive in the ethanol business that's keeping profits in there for the crushers, that they're making some margin. So we'll have to watch that as we go forward. Weekly export sales will be announced tomorrow for last week, and we're looking for really big numbers. Trade is expecting the soybean sales to be upwards of 70 million bushels for the week, and corn sales to be close to 50. So we'll have to see how those numbers come out at mid-morning tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.